In today's video, we're going to be looking at compound interest explained simply for beginners. If you learned something in the video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Now jumping straight in, let's talk about what compound interest actually is. Because compound interest is when your money earns interest by itself. Then your interest also earns interest. Your money grows faster over time using compound interest, and compound interest is actually one of the most powerful ways to build wealth over time. A simple explanation is that compound interest is interest earning interest over time. Simple interest versus compound interest is also something to discuss, because simple interest is where you only earn interest on your original money, whereas compound interest is where you earn interest on your money and previous interest in the markets as well. Money therefore can grow faster over time. The example idea is this. Simple interest grows in a straight line, but compound interest grows more in a curve. In the later weeks, months and years, it certainly takes off a lot more. Now here is a simple example. If you are to invest £1,000 at a return of 10% per year, in the first year you will make £1,100, so your interest will be £100. In the second it will be £1,210. Interest is now up to, in total, £210. And in the third year you're at £1,331. Interest is now £331. Your money will keep growing faster each year. And you can always see this if you have a look or a play around with a compound interest calculator. Here's why compound interest is so powerful. The longer you invest, the more powerful it becomes. Most growth happens in the later years. Time is more important than starting with a lot of money in the strategy, and starting early can make a huge difference. The important idea here is that time plus compound interest equals wealth. Here is the effect of starting early versus starting late. Person 1 is investing at 20 years old. They invest small amounts and they end up with more money. Person 2 starts at 35 years old. They invest more money but still end up with less at the end. The lesson is, starting early, even with small amounts, can make a huge fundamental difference. Here's an example in terms of monthly investing. If you were to invest £100 per month, after 10 years you would have £20,000. After 20 years, however, you would have £76,000, and after 30 you'd be looking closer to £200,000. This is the power of compound interest. Here is an example of using compound interest and how it can be utilized. You can use compound interest with stocks, ETFs, index funds, savings accounts, dividend investing. The best method for most people is to invest regularly into ETFs and grow over time. Here are a few tips for compound interest. The first, of course, is to start as soon as possible and invest regularly. This is going to have major outcome result impacts over the course of future years. Then it makes sense to reinvest the dividends to allow the compound interest to actually occur. You must in this strategy think a lot more long term. And of course, for the compound effect to actually work, you can't really withdraw your investments. You must be patient and let them grow. The simple rule is to invest consistently and wait. So in summary, compound interest is interest earned on interest. Money grows faster over time in this strategy, and time is very important. You should start as early as possible and invest as regularly as you can. Importantly though, you must be patient. So the end slide idea that we have here is that compound interest is the secret to building wealth over time. So hopefully this video was able to explain compound interest a bit more for you. If you did learn something, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you and goodbye for now.